everyone, and welcome to another episode of Adam the Chef. What a beautiful sunny day it is, and due to the circumstances it is such a shame we can't really go out and enjoy it as much, and I can't get a haircut because my hair's getting pretty wild at the moment. But anyway, enough about that. Today I'll be doing a nice vegan burger. It's going to be like an onion bhaji style burger, but I'm going to grate some carrots and courgette in it. So it should be really tasty, really simple to do as well. The recipe will be in the description below this video, and I'll do a step-by-step guide as always. So hope you've been enjoying the content so far. This will be one of the last burgers I do on this channel for a while. But yeah, let's get to it. This is pretty much all the ingredients you need for this burger: a carrot, courgette, and I use a red and white onion for colour. And what we are going to do is we're basically going to slice the onion like so, down the middle, take off a bit of the outer layer, and then take off the little root there. And then we're just going to thinly slice like so. Put it in the bowl. So now we have the sliced onion. Beautiful. We now want to begin with courgette. Get a grater like so. And grate it down. So the carrot, you can peel the carrot if you want. Not with a knife, obviously, but with a peeler. But I've washed it, so it's fine. So now all the vegetables have been grated. I add 3 tablespoons of rock salt and give that a good mix into all the grated vegetables. The reason I use salt at this stage, not only because it seasons it, but it also gets rid of any excess liquid held in the onions or carrots or courgette. As you can see now, the vegetables have softened slightly and have a lot of excess liquid, which we just drain off, as you can see there. We then make sure we wash the vegetables thoroughly and just allow them to sort of air dry for 3 to 4 minutes. We then add 100 grams of gram flour and give that a good mix along with all the spices at this point. That is some garlic powder, cumin, coriander, turmeric and ginger, and then just give that a good mix together. We now just finish off the onion bhaji burgers with a handful of coriander and half a juice lime, and get ready to shape 4 of the onion patty burgers. And there we can just fry them straight away, or leave them rest in the fridge for half an hour while we make the pickle mix. To make a pickle mix, it is dead easy. All you need is some vegetables of your choice. I've used cucumber and radish, half a cucumber and about 5 to 6 radishes. Just chop them down and prep them, and then we heat up 100 millilitres of cider vinegar and 100 millilitres of water. We add the sugar and we add some chilli flakes, fennel and coriander seeds, and just bring that to the boil basically. That is as easy as it is. Allow that to cool, and then we just add that to our prepped cucumber and radish like so. That should probably take about minimum of half an hour to pickle. However, if you've got time, leave it overnight in a tight sealed jar. All we need to do now is fry off the onion bhaji burgers. I just have a hot pan with a little bit of oil and cook them on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until they crisp up. I then just finish them off in the oven for about 10 minutes. And there we have it, a lovely onion bhaji burger with some pickle veg and mango chutney. I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for all your help and support so far.